Home Remedies presents
How to clean your stomach and intestines naturally overnight. An ancient belief referred to as the theory of auto-intoxication, certain foods such as undigested meat can lead to mucus build-up in your colon. As a result, this build-up causes toxins that enter the blood, poisoning the entire body. As time passed, these toxins can lead to a variety of side effects, including weight gain, fatigue, high blood pressure, and arthritis. When performed correctly, a natural colon cleanse can have many benefits for the human body, like weight loss, reduced risk of colon cancer, improved mental outlook, improved focus, improved immune system. What comes out during a colon cleanse? The answer to the question of what comes out during a colon cleanse is simple. Toxins and waste leave your body. Based on the results of a study, cleaning the colon prior to colonoscopy removed approximately 1.2 kilograms of waste. However, it is important to remember that this mainly includes feces and water. The good news is you don't have to shop for expensive products to perform a simple natural colon cleanse. Today we will see how to make an easy natural colon cleanse recipe at home. That is just by mixing pure apple cider vinegar and raw honey. This colon cleanse drink may have a positive impact on your gut flora. That's because both raw honey and apple cider vinegar have probiotics and compounds that aid in gut health. As a result, it will help remove toxins and waste from the digestive tract. Here is what you need to create this delicious colon cleanse drink. All you need is 8 ounces of lukewarm water, 2 tablespoons of raw unfiltered honey, 2 tablespoons of quality apple cider vinegar. Directions: start by filling your glass or cup with warm water. Pour some apple cider vinegar into the water and stir the raw honey in as well. When the colon cleanse drink is ready, have it right away. Once you are done, lay on your side and slowly massage your stomach in a clockwise direction. You may expect colon spasms the next day, signaling a bowel movement. The best timing when this mixture works best is when you prepare it right before bed. A session may be done once per month or once every couple of months. Everyone is different and everyone has a different goal and reason to be here.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.